Hey, Chase here with Sano, coming at you from our humble headquarters here on Wrightsville Avenue in Wilmington, North Carolina. We are so confident in our processes and products that if you get your carpet cleaned and protected by us, we will give you a 1-year limited warranty on that service. Now, most companies won't do a warranty on a service, but we'll do a warranty on our service. If you get your carpet cleaned and protected, you'll get a little warranty card just like this that states what we had done and instructions on what to do if you get a spill or a spot. We'll even give you a bottle of our spotter for free to use to treat your carpet. And you follow these steps and that spot doesn't come out, we will come back out within 1 year and clean that spot for free for you. So you can rest assured that we know what we're doing and we use quality products because we're going to give you a warranty on your service, and we'll come back out within 12 months and re-clean that spot if you have a spill or a stain that doesn't come out, using your complimentary bottle of spotter. And to show you how good it works, we're gonna go outside for a demonstration. So come on, let's go for a walk. All right, here we are outside. We have 2 pieces of carpet. One has been treated and one has not been treated with our protectant. And here we have a bottle of red dye. It's basically like simulated fruit juice, like Kool-Aid. It says right here on the bottle, spilled red dye will stain carpet and other surfaces and temporarily discolor the skin, which is why I'm wearing gloves. I do not want to have red hands when this is over with. So what we're going to do is we're going to apply the dye to the carpet and see if you can tell which ones have been treated or not. We're going to get down here so we don't make a big mess all over the place. All right, we've got our fruit juice or Kool-Aid or grape juice or whatever it may be, red wine, spilled on the carpet, rubbed in like a good kid might do for you. Well, let's rinse and see what happens. All right. Sample 1. Sample 2. So we have protected by Sano, protected by Sano, not protected. You can see that in just a couple of seconds of being exposed to the dye pigment from a red drink, we have staining that just does not come out. It's in there, it's permanent in the fibers, it's not going away. And with the protected sample, it all came out, it's gone, it's clean. So we stand behind our product.